Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the thermistor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the refrigerator door and remove the upper glass shelf and drawer. You can use a small flathead screwdriver to help detach the lower access cover on the air duct assembly. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the rear screw securing the assembly to the liner. Next, unthread the front screw. Disconnect the thermistor wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Lift out the polystyrene portion of the assembly and use the flathead screwdriver to help detach the old thermistor and wire from the air duct. Install the new refrigerator thermistor by snapping it into place in the housing. Then secure the wire under the retainers. Reposition the polystyrene portion of the assembly. Returning to the refrigerator, connect the thermistor wire connector. Align the air duct and thread the rear screw. Snap on the access cover. Thread the front screw to secure the assembly to the liner. Replace the upper glass shelf and drawer. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.